Heading over to Hollis Ford, we're chatting with Garnet MacLean from the sales team. We're Garnet. One of the big things about Hollis Ford right now is you have a pretty awesome looking inventory.
We do. We've got an excellent combination here. We've got a good mix of new and pre-owned vehicles, and to go with them, low interest rates as well.
Yeah, you got 0.99% on new and 2.99 on pre-owned, correct?
We do, yes. Really good rates. And if you do anything, like if you custom order a vehicle now, you lock in the price and you also lock in that low interest rate. So you have that rate when the vehicle comes, regardless what happens in between.
Not to mention the fact you get exactly what you want by doing that custom order match, right?
That's right.
And on top of that, Garnet, you're always looking to add to your certified pre-owned. You're essentially looking to buy people's vehicles.
We are. If you have a vehicle you're not driving, you bring it in, we may buy your vehicle. We're looking for good used vehicles all the time.
It's at Hollis Ford in Truro.